Stormy Gamer. We're playing Fast and Famous, I think. Yeah, we are. I played it a few times to give it a go, see what it is. Last time I tried to do a video last time, but I really didn't know what I was doing and I got super confused. So I've had to go. My brother actually knew how to do it the whole time. He told me, and yeah, I'm getting used to it. And we're gonna have a go today. I just missed the category. I don't know what the category is, guys. Oh, did I miss it? Yeah, from the deep. I like it. We're gonna dress up as a mermaid. Do you have to pay for this stuff? Oh, you don't have to pay for this. So you have a mermaid tail and a skirt. I wish you could. I wonder if you can. Let's go and try it. I'm bold now. Why am I bold? Let's be Ariel, and we're gonna go for red. Does that look right? I don't know. It's so hard to remember. No, she had a green tail. Oh my god, this thing's big. I need the perfect one for Ariel. This one. I think we're gonna go for this one. And we're gonna go for this one up here. Oh, that looks cute so far. No, we're not using rings. We are not using rings. Let's try and use it, see if we can use a skirt. We can use a skirt, but it looks really bad. It looks like... We'll try it. What does that look like? No, it looks really bad. We'll get rid of that. No! Let me get rid of it! Done. And I think we're ready. Now do you know what I do? Find a chair. We've done everything. It looks super pretty. So if you don't play this, guys, I'll have to show you some. How can I show you? That doesn't work. Okay. I'm sorry about what I'm doing. So if you can see, it says like from the deep at the top. That's the thing. I might leave it like this because this might be better. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. Guys, we can just walk around. I think we should. I've been trying on my iPad. I find it easier on my iPad, but I've been trying on the computer. Let's try and copy people's outfits and then say, "You copied me." Well, and we might be doing that one day, but maybe today. I feel like it's not blue, but I'm just gonna go for it. Comment down below, what is it? What color is her bra? Her bra.
Green.
No, the tail's green. Yeah, that is good. I watched a movie. Whistle. I'm stuck in the roof. Okay. Okay. Hi George, I like her because she's sticking out her tongue. And she's got a really pretty... I might move it down. Yeah, I'm just going to move it down and I'm just going to tell you guys, okay? I'm giving her a 0, you know? From the deep, it doesn't look like from the deep, but I like his hair. I'll give him a 1. I'm gonna give him a point, but I'm not giving him the right one. That's weird. Next up, yeah, guys, this is the one you all have been writing for me. Wait, no, wait. Point. Next up, she copied. She's got white hair that I don't like. I give her a 3 because she looks like she's from under the deer. Except the white hair's not my kind. I like. Stare. I like hers a lot. She's like a dark fairy, so I'm gonna give her a 4. No, I was gonna change it to a 3. I don't like her as much. Okay. Rate this outfit. Where is she? Hey, it was purple, wasn't it? But I don't like the piggy tail, so I'm just gonna give her 2. And where did she go? She's gone. This is like jump wrong. Oh, that's me. That's me. I bet it was blue because I got 22 points. 18. Yeah, guys, you can't see, but I got 22 points. Why is that finger coming out? Boom. 202 money. This is only like my second go of flying. I suppose I won. I literally joined around and I had 190 seconds left and they had a whole 3 minutes. I lost 1.5 minutes. Okay, let's look at this. We're only gonna get time for 2 rounds, I'm sorry to say. Just because we only get 15 minutes for a record. Last time I was looking at the time, and literally, I was like, so it was weird. I think we're gonna copy her, but she's got VIP and she's a pro model. We're gonna copy her. We're gonna try. Where are you gonna go? Wait, what's the type though? I think it's a mermaid type. Guys, it doesn't say what we're doing, so I say it's like free play or something. We're gonna go for this like really pretty pink. Well, that's what I've been going for. You guys go for whatever, but that's just what I'm going for. And then I think that's it actually. Wait, no, I remember now. Guys, it doesn't say how much time we've got left, so it's just making me nervous. I think we're gonna go for this little crown. We're gonna make it the star pink. Yeah, we look super adorable, guys. That will be enough. No copying. No copying. Nope, you're not copying me. I'm distracted today. Look, I'm a muted model. Look how cute I look. Okay, everybody's dressing up as a mermaid, so I'm guessing. Yeah, like, look. Except. Should I have rings? No, I don't know. Guys, comment down below. Should I have rings? He looks equal. I like him. Probably give him like a 5 or something. No, nothing I like in here. What happened? How did I do that? Is this like the VIP room? Do I have VIP? Everything's glitching, guys. I'm in the VIP room. Guys, it's glitching on us. She's got rings, I'm gonna go for rings. No! No! I need rings! Oh, so loud though. Where are we? What is this category? What is the category? If I like did it was purple shorts or something. Hi. Guys, we're gonna end this video right now on the spot. I'm sorry we don't have much time today. It's just we don't really. I love the face though. Oh, I can't even rate. So guys, we're gonna end this video while it's glitching. If you haven't visited my channels, don't forget to start visiting them. Subscribe, comment down below what ideas should I have next. And like, smash that like button, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.